Hi everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. I just wanted to come to you today to talk about the struggles that we're all facing right now. We are all in this together. COVID-19 is here. It's been here for a little while, but it surely turned our world upside down. So I just want to say we're all in this together, and you can count on me to continue to offer videos that you can do at home during this time of shutdown. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm here for you. So thanks for joining me today. Bye for now. Painting has helped me get through some stressful times. So if you are like me and are dealing with a lot of stress surrounding the COVID-19, then maybe redirecting your focus by creating something with color and working with your hands can for a short time take your mind off of things. And maybe, just maybe, it can help you rejuvenate your mind, body, and even your soul by giving you the strength to handle your current situation better. I know that creating art and these videos have given me something that has helped me deal with the stress that has come with the coronavirus, and I'm thankful for the time I spend in my studio. We're all in this together. Stay safe, and bye for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this, what you'd like to see in the future, and then of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notifications when I get a new video up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.